everyone, I'm still in the Lecong Furnishing Market, and here I see, oh, it's so beautiful, and it has all kinds of furnitures here. It's very huge. And now I'll show you to see accent chair supplies. Just follow me, I'll see what exactly it is now. Wow, so many furnitures, right? And as you can see, it's just like a football. I call it a football chair, and let me try it, okay? Wow, when I sit on it, it bounces forth and back. It's so suitable, right? And I think maybe you can put one of these chairs maybe in your kids' room. I bet that the boys will like it very much, especially some of those guys who like football very much. And let's see some of other products. You can see some like this is the further one, and some like this. Oh, it's also very soft. And oh, I like this one, this yellow one. Even though I don't like this chair, but it's very soft, it's very comfortable and cozy. Wow, I can shake it. Ooh, it's very suitable. I can imagine that if I place one in my living room, I can read it and have a cup of coffee, and I just lie in it, and in no time at all, I'll sleeping. Yes. And wow. And it seems that I can adjust this, right? I really want to know how much it is because I really want to buy one. So let's ask the boss about it, okay? 老板你好。Wait a moment. 请问这个椅子是多少钱？这个椅子啊，1680。1680。Oh, in my opinion, it's just the average. It's just the average price. It's about 1,680 RMB, but it's not what I can afford. But maybe in the future I can do it. What about other ones? Let's see. This black and this white. If you like the modern style, you can do it. And if you want to learn more details, please leave your message under our video and I'll show you more. And let's see. Oh, and as you can see, this have all kinds of patterns. And like this one is the white one, but I don't like the pure white very much because if I make dirty in it, it's hard for me to clean. So maybe I'll choose this one. Yes, as you can see, it's very soft as well. And like this coffee tables, you can put anything in it. I like this decoration very much. It's very beautiful. And as for those accent chairs, I like this one, even though it's a little lower, but also it's very cozy, and I think it's made of cotton. Yes, and you can see I can put my head in it. It's very comfortable. And let's see some other products. Oh, this one. 老板你好，请问是可以调节的是吗？ Oh yes, you can adjust it in every places. 就是它是怎么调的？是
它是往前面倒的。
哦，
这样可以调3个。
哇哦。
1个档、2档、3档。
Oh, you have 3 bed. 价格大概多少呢？
这个1380。
It's about 1,300 RMB. It's not expensive, but it's not cheap as well. And when I sit in it, I feel like I'm a boss here. It's very comfortable and cozy. I want to put it in my working place because when I work all the day and I'm exhausted, but if I sit in there, I feel, oh, it's so warm and I feel relaxed at once. But the thing I like it most is that it can adjust to everywhere I want, especially when I want to sleep. You can put it down. Yes. And oh, this one. I I like the pink because sometimes I think I'm a little immature. I'm like a kid, and the pink is one of my favorite. It's also very soft, but what I like the most is about its color. And as for the color, I know you can choose any colors there because it has the sweat here. So whatever, it's no matter what colors you like. You can choose any color you like, and you can make it. You just tell your details and what you want, your requisition to the boss. And then they can help you. If you want to know more, maybe I can help you get more details from the boss. And here I'll attach my email details and my WhatsApp details here. If you want to contact me, just do it. I'll help you, okay? And let's see more about it. What about, I like this one. Yes, it's just like a worm, right? Even though the vivid yellow may harm my eyes sometimes. But I think it's very cozy, and it feels like I'm embraced by my mother, and I turn back to my childhood. I can shake it, force and hedge. Oh, it's so sweet. It's so sweet as well. So wow. There are so many good products, right? I believe there must be one that's suitable for you, even though some prices may be a little expensive. But to be honest, it's not expensive. It's inexpensive, right? Because it's just the supply, direct supply, so you can save a lot of money in here. And if you want to know more, please contact. I don't know whether you like it, but I think you will like it. If you like our channel, please give me a thumb up and subscribe our channel. And next time I'll show you to see some outdoor chairs. So that's all for today. See you next time. This is Pretty from FoshanToday. FoshanToday, the ultimate guide to Foshan Furniture Market. So see you next time. Bye bye.